Welcome to World Hotel Reviews. I'm Joy. Have you subscribed and liked this video? Your support keeps this channel going. Let's start our journey through Park Hyatt Seoul, a place where luxury meets the skyline. Located right in front of Samseong Station in Gangnam, this hotel offers unmatched accessibility. With subway lines 2, 9, and the airport railway nearby, it's perfect for both business and leisure travelers. It stands in the heart of Seoul's business district, with every convenience at your fingertips. From the outside, the hotel rises like a sleek glass tower above the city. The facade sparkles during the day and glows at night, giving it a quiet, elegant presence. Its floor-to-ceiling windows create a modern yet peaceful impression from every angle. Entering the lobby, you're welcomed by warm wood tones and natural stone interiors. To the right of the check-in counter is a stylish lounge bar that sets the tone for what's to come. It's a space designed for calm, comfort, and classy first impressions. Heading up to the guest rooms on a high floor, ideally the 20th or above, you'll find panoramic city views that stretch across Gangnam's skyline. The massive floor-to-ceiling windows give the room an open, breathable atmosphere. Inside, the room blends modern wood finishes with sleek stone accents. A king-sized bed, spacious work desk, and a soft lounge sofa provide both function and comfort. Whether for business or rest, the layout is thoughtful and refined. The bathroom includes a rain shower and a deep soaking tub perfect for relaxing. Premium skincare amenities, plush robes, and slippers make every moment feel like a private spa retreat. It's more than just a bathroom. It's part of the luxury experience. Now, let's look at the facilities. The indoor heated pool is open daily from 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. and offers calm morning swims or night laps. Alongside it, there's a fitness center, sauna, and a dedicated foot massage area. Dining options are impressive too. On the first floor, the park offers a breakfast buffet with Korean, Western, and dessert choices, ideal for a nourishing start to your day. Up on the 25th floor, you'll find a refined Italian restaurant and a Korean Chinese dining spot, both perfect for a special dinner or business meal. Room service is also available 247 with an extensive menu. Some say the hotel offers a peaceful escape within the busy city, and many return for the seamless luxury and thoughtful touches that define their stay. Nearby attractions include COEX Mall, Banggeunsa Temple, and the World Trade Center, all within a 5-minute walk, making it easy to enjoy shopping, culture, and sightseeing. Copy and paste the hotel name into the link in the video description or comments to find the best rates right now on Agoda. Thanks for watching, I'm Joy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next hotel review.